Guys, I have some gifts for you. What the heck? Oh, I don't want that. Okay.
Can I have one iron ingot, Soren?
No.
Sick. Sam, I have a gift for you.
Okay.
So I don't get
What did you take?
A little bit of coal.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. How much? Also, you said you want iron.
I need one ironing. Thank you. It wasn't too much. It was
Oh,
less
Sam,
than half of what you
okay.
had. Oh, shoot.
The items bounce off the beds. Wait, I love that.
This ain't a sofa.
Yeah, it's still cool though. Well,
Well,
Yeah.
but the game calls it a sofa.
Here, I'll
This is
just
a
clean
chair
the
at
house for you.
best.
Actually, I'm gonna put it upstairs
Yeah.
for you.
what?
Here, wait, Soren, I'm gonna show you my house now.
Ooh.
I got you a
Thank
fancy chair.
I enjoy this.
Thank
How
you.
do I break it? Oh, okay.
As a thank you for giving me this, I'm gonna show you my super secret house.
So we're making secret houses.
Well, basically, I mean, come on. You can come do all if you want. I should have building software elements. There's some building software element.
The iron was gold.
Well, the items are listening. Want to see my listening?
Nah. Oh my god, too funny, man. You're way too funny, man.
Does anyone want to see my house?
No. Okay.
Do you want to?
In a minute. I'm gonna lay foundation on my house.
Okay, I'm gonna place the sofa in my house, not go across the ocean. I'll do that later. Well, you can go across the ocean with me.
No, look, awesome. Awesome house.
Well, you'll be terrified if you go in the ocean, though.
That's my house.
Are you scared of the ocean? You're like, just make you terrified of it?
I love your house.
You gotta be kidding me.
No, I don't have to in Pumpkin Town.
No.
Idiot.
You're gonna have to get those out. Those are my most valuable possessions. And look, I gotta cook these food. Well, Pumpkin Town.
Okay.
You're gonna want you to grab.
Ah, I freaking fell.
Good for you, bub. You should just be good enough.
I'll do something else, dude.
So we're gonna farm.
I'm going to. I'm just trying to foundation for my house.
Well, so I'm gonna need like half stack of arrows. One instead, using my power 3 flame mending bow.
That's true.
So I'm gonna get the archer of the group.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave all over the group.
Oh shoot.
You have it. You already have it. Always want it.
Well, are you gonna melee attacks? Because we need a good team building to fight these bosses. Some of these bosses take Eldritch Horrors from what I've seen. Also, you know like the bedrock where they're like hard one like 400 hearts? There's a boss that has over double that, and that's not even one of the harder ones. Of course, the boss that I got is the Redstone Monstrosity from Minecraft Dungeons. That's 800 hearts, or 600 or something.
Oh, heck no.
So we're cooked.
Yeah, that's an easy one. Compared to
Don't worry about that later.
Like the boss that Master Structure Frost
Ah,
is that.
dude, I'm freaking falling.
I can't different bosses that the Cataclysm for. The Cataclysm looks crazy. It's like this ice frost, the curse of our things. And don't even start out in the game, because I don't know, it gives you like infinite fire resistance. You do more damage than the nether. Your health is buffed in the nether.
Never.
The nether. I hate the nether.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
Why is my house odd on this? Oh, I'm gonna crash out. I'm gonna crash out.
What did you do, Thorin?
Why is it odd on this side, but when it's even on?
Thorin.
Oh.
I'm
wait, so
actually gonna crash
this is
out.
just the house from the OG Newberry server.
No,
like-
not at all. This is
Well,
completely
not,
different.
Not really, but
I've never built something.
it's like how I always build my house in the ground. You always build your house with like the big pillar in the front and the big circle.
I've never built a circle house.
Oh, sounds special.
Thorin makes like those plus sign houses, well.
Yeah, I make a plus sign
Oh
houses.
wait, yeah, that's my fault. I'm sitting in my awesome chair.
And then I make a small
Pondering
little
life.
house that normally has. On most servers, I've made a small little house that normally has a deep underground basement made out of deep slate, but this server I'm going the exact opposite and being up instead of down. Up syndrome is better than down syndrome, I think.
Oh,
I have both of those.
What's up syndrome do to you, Walt? How does it affect your everyday life?
That's classified.
Classified.
I don't like it.
Because, like, up means that stuff is high, so is up syndrome just being high?
Again, that's classified.
So, yes.
That's classified.
So, yes.
That's classified.
That's like saying no comment on something when you answer everything else, and the one thing you say no comment about, if you say yes, it would have been embarrassing, and saying no, everyone knows that you're lying. So, you're just high all the time, Walt.
We already knew that.
Yeah, I don't blame you, but that's what up syndrome is, right?
Dude, does anyone have any food? I'm kind of cooked.
I don't have anything to be cooked.
Hey.
Walt.
oh, my stone mending pickaxe broke.
Bro, it has mending. How do you let
You
it
should have
break?
mended it then.
It's a stone pickaxe. It's okay.
But it had
No, it's
mending.
not. Yeah, it had mending, Soren. You could have
Okay,
used
okay.
Soren. You could have used the new uncrafting item that's in these mods to uncraft it and get the book out of it.
You can do that. You get the book.
No, you can't.
No, you can't. I was completely making that up. The fact that you even believe me for a second is surprising.
Shut the heck up, Bala.
You're Paula.
Yeah, Sam isn't allowed to be cooked. How
Why do
is
you
this
Yeah.
tree over 100 blocks, dude?
Some of them surprise you when they're not, and the rest of them you're just like, how? Oh, that's trippy. Nah. The wind makes like my entire house just shift side to side.
How is this John over 100 blocks?
Ohio skibbity riz.
So.
It just bursted out. It just busted out, lol.
Ah.
The effects that had on me are massive. Don't laugh. What does this ring do? Bro, what does this ring do? I can just craft an iron ring, but I have no clue what it does.
Well, it's obviously just an iron ring, so. Duh.
Maybe it's used to craft other rings.
Dude.
I just found another cool thing I want to do with my base, and now I have to do it. It's basically going back into like another plus shaped house, but cooler,
On
basically.
the inside, basically.
No, you'll see. It's gonna be perfectly symmetrical, like all my bases are.
Perfectly symmetrical, like all things should be. I just made a reference to the guy from Squid Game Season 2.
Angos. I mean,
What's
like,
Diamond
which,
Noah?
you know what that technically is a reference to, Sam?
What?
It's like, you know how Thanos is like, he's like inspired from Venus.
Yeah.
You just made a Venus reference.
Ooh.
Wait, Sam, did you bring the obsidian?
Did I? No.
Dang.
Idiot.
Don't call me an idiot, you idiot.
Whoa.
It hurts my
Nice.
feelings.
Because
Nice
I kind of want to go to like the Nether just to get, so we can go to the Aether.
Bro, well, Soren, 3 obsidian ain't gonna be enough.
I'm aware.
What's an obsidian brick? You can make sweet berry cheesecake?
What the John?
Oh no, there are candle holders. Counters? Wait, what are all the different types of woods in this?
There's like 40 types of wood. It's actually absurd.
Oh
Do you guys want to
There
go
are
mining?
25 wood types that can be used to craft different crafting tables.
Oh, that's cool. There's different crafting tables.
There's a creeper trophy. If you use a creeper head and 5 stone, you can make a creeper trophy. Red loin on a stick. How do you get cooked loin?
You find some loin and you cook it.
And how do you get Oh, nah. Experiment 113 is a food item.
What the John?
I just like that.
And it has a 33% chance to give you an effect called temporal sadness.
What the John? Dude, I just like the echoes.
There's a nightly knife.
Wait, where are you right now, Walt?
My house.
Do any of you guys have a flint and steel?
Yeah.
I just got something cool.
What's witherite and what is this? There's an item.
Here, I'll show you. Wait, where should I place it?
Howitzers?
Put it by the e-table.
I'll put it right here, the sickle spot. Light it.
Guys, there's an item called the Wither Assault Shoulder Weapon that's basically a bazooka. Right click to shoot wither missiles. While sneaking
It's a special campfire.
What's special about it?
I don't know what it does. It just looks cool.
How do you get witherite?
Awesome.
I'm assuming you just killed a wither, actually.
Yeah, probably.
It's like Terraria, pretty much.
The incinerator. Hold right click for 3 seconds to charge. Summons a flame strike. Items may be lost when flame strike explodes.
Wait, Sam.
14 attack damage.
Sam, when you're exploring, didn't you say you found a room portal?
It's a long ways away, but yeah.
How far?
I don't even know where it is anymore. Because, like, it didn't even have any lava. It was just magma blocks in the frame.
Well, the frame is what I need.
Here, do you have a diamond pickaxe?
I'm about to make one.
Do you have bones?
There I go. Found it on the minimap and I shared it.
Do you have bones? Give me your bones.
Oh wait, I gotta add it. Okay.
Sam, do you have bones?
No.
I have a big old pile of them bones.
Where?
I love how also killing the ender
I
dragon
thought I
is so
did.
far
I
away
think
from
it's.
the
Oh
end game.
well, it's in Pumpkin Town. If you wanna go to Pumpkin Town, I have like a stack.
Okay.
How do I remove a? Okay. Delete weapon.
Oh yeah, I should probably sleep.
Yeah, never mind. I'm not going that far for that.
Sam, I hope you. I was about to say, I hope you get kicked for spamming. It's kicked.